What's up, everyone? My name is Logan Legacy, and you are now watching Quant Chronicles. On today's episode, we are discussing Udemy, and if you're learning C++, watch this video before choosing your next course. Now, just 10 minutes ago, I found this C++ course, and I've been looking for C++ courses for quite a long time now, and I feel like this course in specifically that's taught by Daniel Gakowaya is the best, hands down. And if you don't know what Udemy is, it's essentially a place that you can go pay for courses. They're like usually 10, 20 bucks, and you can get these college level courses essentially that come with the certificate, which we're not really too worried about the certificate, but if you are, it's definitely a great thing to add to your resume and your toolkit applying for jobs and stuff like that. So if you don't know what Udemy is, go check it out. But most of you probably already know what Udemy is, and that's the reason why I'm recommending this course. Now, disclaimer, we actually haven't started this course yet. So if it ends up sucking, you're gonna know because because I post videos on this YouTube channel every single day. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Logan, and I go from zero to hero, and I will land my quant internship within 1 year of making this YouTube channel. So yeah, that's why we're choosing this course. We want to fast track, and we want what industry level professionals use now. We want to use that stuff now, and we want to get really, really good at C++, like lightning fast, and we want to be like masters and god level C++ programmers. But yeah, if you haven't seen my video, if you want to become a quant, here's my exact roadmap. That's the title of that video. Go watch that video, because in that video, I break down some of the programming languages that are actually, at least in my research, required for you to become a quant developer, recommended by Coding Jesus, actually. So yeah, if you don't know who Coding Jesus is, go watch his videos. He's a quant developer, and he's like got the secret sauce for all this stuff. So definitely watch that video. But anyways, the reason we went with this course, and again, it could totally suck, it could totally bomb. So like if it does, I'm gonna let you guys know. It's like 65 hours, guys, of on-demand C++ content. But the reason we're gonna learn it is because it teaches you in specifically CMake, Git, and GCC. Now, I think these three things that he teaches, that Daniel teaches in this course, are critical for your success as a quant developer. And that's what's on Coding Jesus's roadmap. Is he's like, you know, you're absolutely cracked, which means you're absolutely amazing. If you don't know what cracked means, it means like you're like amazing. You're a master at C++ and quant development. He's like, you're gonna need to learn these things. And that's the video that I'm referencing. And again, guys, if you're new here, again, I'm learning all of this stuff from scratch right now, right in front of you. No cuts, no edits, no BS, just raw, unfiltered motivation and content right now. And you guys get to watch it in real time. So that's really awesome. It's super bingeable content, and each episode's kind of structured like an episode. And yeah, each day I take you along with me. And I'm actually recording this video as my last video goes up. And the reason is because I got some stuff to do tomorrow. But don't worry, this video will be coming out tomorrow, and we're going to still be going on. I have a few things going on tomorrow. But anyways, back to this. The real reason I chose this course by Daniel is because you don't only learn C++ 23 fundamentals, projects, and algorithms. That's the course title. But you actually learn this stuff on a pro level grade, or at least that's what Daniel's, essentially advertising here, is that you're not only going to learn C++ by like just a, BS project. You're going to learn stuff that people actually do like every single freaking day at a C++ job or a quant, position. You're going to be learning stuff like really high level stuff, and we're going to be learning it fast. And he essentially just fast tracks us right into C++ 23. And if you don't know, C++ pretty much comes out and like, there's like C++ 99, C++ like 2000, 2001, 2002, and so on and so forth. So each integration is like the newer version of C++, and we're going to be jumping into C++ 23. So that's just like, I mean, right now as we're recording this video, it's 2020, the end of 2025. So 2023 isn't that far away. So I feel like that's like the best bang for your buck. But yeah, anyways, disclaimer, I'm learning this stuff as I go, and it's just going to be like another addition that we're adding onto our learning, and it's also including projects. So that's another big reason why I chose this course. Guys, I got this course for literally $10. So I don't know if it ends up being bad and it sucks, who cares? It was only $10, you know? So, and I feel like we're going to learn a ton from this course, and I feel like it's going to make us masters at C++. And if I'm not mistaken, there's only under 2,000 students enrolled in this course. So if there is something super secret or something super amazing that you do learn in this course, there's only like 2,000 people that have learned from Daniel and specifically. So yeah, I feel like, you know, super niche. And not only that, we're learning stuff that's like, you know, not a lot of people know about, which is really cool in my opinion. So yeah, I think, let's see. Yeah, I broke it down. It's pretty much that. So yeah, we're pretty much just going to start this course. I'm super excited about it. I think it's going to literally be like one of the best courses that I've ever taken out of all the Udemy courses I've taken. There's a few more algorithmic, you know, courses that I would like to take based on like crypto trading and stuff like that. And I want to get to that later. But again, if this is your first video that you're seeing on the channel or whatever, on the channel, I explain that we pretty much have to learn, in my other videos, I pretty much explain that you have to be like super duper good at like one language, either C++ or Python, to become a quant developer. And the reason we're choosing C++ is essentially because that's just like the industry standard, and like everyone goes with C++ on Wall Street and stuff like that. And in order to land that quant internship, we 100% have to learn C++. And I'm definitely the type of person that loves to dive headfirst, go to the very bottom of the iceberg, off the rip, learning stuff. And if I take the easy way out and I learn Python first, I definitely probably will neglect C++. So that's the reason why we're kind of just getting into the harder stuff first, because everything else in theory should be a lot easier as we learn it. Well, anyways, guys, that's pretty much the end of today's video. We're just going to start this course and I'm going to take you along. I just wanted to document that and just say, hey, like, I'm starting this course. If you want to as well, I would highly recommend it. Also, I would paste this in the description of YouTube, but I think because my channel is so new that I can't actually post any links. So when I do post the link in the description, there's probably going to be like some spaces in there. Just copy it, delete the spaces, paste it in your browser. You're good to go. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. If you would, please smash that like button. Let's go.